हेलो डियर व्यूवर्स, मैं इस्माइल गौरेज एक और वीडियो लेकर आपके सामने हाजिर हूँ। आज की वीडियो स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है, एसएसएलसी स्टूडेंट्स जिनके रिज़ल्ट्स कल अनाउंस होने वाले हैं। जैसे कि हमने पिछली बार देखा था कि पीयूसी के जो रिज़ल्ट्स स्टेट में अनाउंस हुए थे, उसके बाद काफ़ी सारे स्टूडेंट्स अपने रिज़ल्ट से मायूस होकर और अपने डिप्रेशन में आकर, क्योंकि वो फेल हो गए या वो रिज़ल्ट उनके एक्सपेक्टेशंस के बाहर से था, तो काफ़ी स्टूडेंट्स ने सुसाइड अटेम्प्ट किया, किसी ने कमिट किया। तो अ, इस सिलसिले में जो एसएसएलसी के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, यू नो, उनसे यही मैं कहना चाहूँगा इस वीडियो के थ्रू कि इफ़ if you fail in exams tomorrow and your results are not up to your expectations, it's not a big deal. बिकॉज मैं इसको फेलियर नहीं कहूँगा, मैं कहूँगा इसको कि यू जस्ट कुड नॉट क्लियर द एग्जाम्स इन दिस अटेम्प्ट. दिस इज़ नॉट फेलियर. ऑल दो योर एजुकेशन सिस्टम might call you as failure, but the same education system lacks two things. Indian education system, I believe, lacks two things. That is, the first is education and the second is system. So even if your education system calls you failure, you need not be bothered about this really. क्योंकि at the end of the day, if you fail or if you cannot clear the exams in this attempt, you have a student will obviously have two things to do. Number one is to regret and waste your time criticizing yourself and be feared about the judgment of others. And the number second is ignore the hell out of the world and focus on what's important for you. And it's obvious that right now your studies are, so learn from your mistakes, leave people, things, habit which pushed you towards failure, and give it a hard start again. Just improve, be honest with yourself, and don't let yourself fail again. And remember, it's okay, it's not a big deal. Everyone experience failure in life. Most of them sit back regretting, and we can find them at the same place later, while only a few, they face it, they face the situation, they come back, they bounce back, and choose what they want to do, and they do it. You might well say it's easier for me to sit here in front of a camera and speak to you about this, but I'm not just sitting in front of you and saying things out of as a motivational speaker or something. I'm talking to you as a person who has particularly failed in SSLC. I was failed in SSLC. I had a year out. I failed in the supplementary examinations as well. I failed in mathematics subject in the first attempt, and I then failed in the supplementary exams as well. So I have been there, done that situation, and I'm telling you that it is fine. Failing in SSLC examination is fine, and you can cover up things and you can be a better person, because academic certificate is not the only thing that will make you a better or successful person. I mean, talent and skills can be of anything, singing, dancing, sketching, justice on crime, doing mixed martial arts or boxing, or playing your sport for your country, and cooking, designing new clothes, and doing anything. The list just goes on, and it's not necessarily important for you to have good grades in SSLC or second PUC to you know uh, be a successful person in your life 10 years or 20 years or 30 years from now. All it takes is, the world is very big and it has a number of opportunities for you. And once again, getting an academic certificate is not the only thing, or not the only way you can become a better person and that can give you job with proper income. There are a number of other ways as well. So don't lose your sanity, and try to make sure that you don't lose your life because of your failure. Keep the spirit ignited and carry on, move forward. I'll not give you examples of, regular examples of Bill Gates or big personalities or figures that have done well, but I just want to remind you that if when Bill Gates or any other person from successful person for that matter, if someone would have gone and told them when they were dropped out of the school that you are going to be, the next big revolution in the IT industry, and you are going to bring a revolution with Microsoft or something like that, the Bill Gates might have, would have laughed himself out as well. but then he waited for his calling, he did what he wanted to do, and then he actually became an revolution in the IT industry, which he himself would not have imagined when he was dropped out of the school. So the message here is very clear, that wait for your calling, and do what you want to do, pursue your career in the way you want. And you never know, you might end up being a most successful businessman in the near future. You might end up being the most successful musician or anything like that. It's about waiting for your call. And you might well be a person, who might inspire people. You might become a musician whose music someone might hear when he or she is depressed, and then someday when he is about to give up, he might listen to you, and then he comes back and get inspired by you and give the life another shot. You might become a doctor who could save thousands of lives. You might become a lawyer who will save a person who's about to get death penalty because of the crime he never did, and then you step up and save his life. You can be successful in thousand ways. You can be you can be a better person for this society in many ways. And you never know, when something like COVID-19 happen again in future, you might well come up with the vaccine for such a vaccine, so vaccine for such pandemic. So you never know what is coming for you in the future, what the future has in store for you. So this particular failure, this particular your failure to clear things in this attempt is not failure. Your failure will be if you give up on your life because of this temporary depression, temporary stress or pressure. If you give up for that, and if you betray your family, the people you love, or the people who love you, by giving up on yourself and your life and your career and everything else, that will be your failure, and that is not the thing to do right now. I guarantee you, if you sustain, if you come out of this, you will never regret it. Okay, I once again, I've been there, I've done that, and it's doable. It's doable, and you can do it. We know there are thousands of people who could not take the pressure and stress, and they committed suicide or gave up on their life and stuff. But there are thousand other people as well, who could did sustain the pressure, came out of it, and they became a better person for this society, became the better person for their family, for their people they love, and the people who love them. So it's all can happen, it's doable. Just don't take it on your heart. It's okay to fail. It's not, it's okay. Once again, I'll not say this is your failure. Just your education system thinks you are a failure, but you are not a failure. You just could not clear it. You have a better chance now. Prepare yourself once again, attempt for another exam, do well. And you never know what will happen and what good you can do to the society. And just remember, the world will not be the same. The world will not be the same tomorrow if you're not there. Your world is a better place or a different place, at least in any way. In it might be because of the slightest way, but the world is a different place with you. And once you'll not be there, your world will not be the same place again. So maybe for your family, for everybody else who knows you and stuff. So at least when you think so much about the people around you, that what people will think about your results and stuff, just also think that if you do something stupid, or if you do something, you hurt yourself, and uh, you people around you will feel more disgusted about themselves than you, and you will not want them to be in that situation, I tell you. So just think about them in this situation as well. Okay, how will they suffer through this trauma and this shock, and then it might also help you to take a better decision. So just sustain. Results are, it's good if you have done good, and it's better if you have not, because you have more opportunity, because the failure is the only way towards the success. So not going to quote you a lot of inspirational quotes or something. The message is very simple: sustain, because it's doable. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please share the message, and all the best for your results. uh, Congratulations if you have done good, and all the best if you have not. And you can, I believe you can do better than this. Thank you so much.